Hello!
Hi everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hi. Thanks for following the Firefly hook. We're so excited that you're here. I just love how many of you came over from my page to help build this channel. So excited.
Way to go, people.
Yeah. So this is my friend Danielle. You've probably seen some videos of us because we had those earlier this year. We just made a big decision to kind of do stuff together on the channel I'm on now and kind of make it our channel.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have lots of knitting and crocheting and some life stuff. Like right now you see our kids in the background there. We're on a nature walk and then
And they're playing.
Now we're doing a video. What are they playing?
Red
Color
Rover?
tag?
Color code? Something?
Red Rover? You know, one of those. Just do it. Just sneeze right,
Right
right on the screen. I know. So yeah, we're gonna move the videos we made. It's called Ellie Inspired. No, Firefly Hook meets Ellie Inspired.
Yep.
Firefly Hook meets Ellie Inspired.
There will
sorry.
still probably be way more crocheting just because she's on it. She's on it. She's got those tutorials.
That's what we're
Eventually I will probably put up a few knitting tutorials. Don't know when, someday. But then we will have our videos,
Yep.
which will just be fun craziness,
Yes.
silliness.
And you'll know when they're ours because there's the picture on the front that says Firefly Hook meets Ellie Inspired.
Yep.
So those are all of the ones
I
that
caught it.
we've done together. They're all about catching moths right now. So,
You found a moth?
Yeah.
Oh.
so cute.
Show us the moth. Can I see it? Nope. Okay.
That's right. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yep. And you'll always know whose videos are whose. So you'll have, if she's doing a tutorial, it'll say the Firefly Hook. If we're doing a video, the Firefly Hook meets Ellie Inspired, like you just said. And then if it's mine, it'll say Ellie Inspired.
Yeah.
So
So
it'll always be fun. You'll
so
always
you can
know.
come here for all the things.
All the things.
So, you know, I have a reputation for bashing knitting, but it's just funny because you know how much, like, it's not like I don't like it, obviously, because we're partnering up. There's going to be knitting and crocheting on our channel, so we're really excited about it.
Yeah.
You guys can come learn with us and, I don't know, watch our crazy
videos.
antics, 'cause
And I just let her bash because I like both, so it really doesn't matter to me.
and obviously I like it. It's a fiber art. It's yarn. You anyway, we're not gonna talk about that now.
Don't want to get into it.
There's a video. What one is that? That we talk about knitting and crocheting.
Oh, I
Maybe
can't
every
remember.
single one that
Probably.
we do together. I think it comes up. So go watch some Firefly Hook meets Ellie inspired videos. So look right now on the Firefly Hook channel because there is a video there for you guys to watch.
All right, well that's it.
That's it. Thanks for following, and I hope you enjoy what we've got coming up for you guys. We're excited.
Woo! All right, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
What is it? Your what? What is that?
Tar.
It's your what?
Tar.
Okay, yes, but what is it to you?
My stretchy toy for Nina. I did not have this. You have crushed the cutest duck. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
We'll get those up.
Soon.
You can cut this part out, right? There is a video there for you guys to watch.
Ooh,
And
which
then
one?
Watch for the next one.
There's a Firefly
It's
Hook
not
video.
yet, I'm just saying it for the video.
Oh. Cut. This is the future. This is the future.
Yes.
Um,
Okay.
Chief, how are you doing down there, Chieftain? You doing good? You staring us
Good
down?
boy, yeah.
Okay. I don't know why I'm doing this. World peace.